Lesson 3. Past tense. The past tense is used to talk about actions or situations that happened at a specific time in the past. In English, the past tense is formed in two ways: regular verbs and irregular verbs. 1. Regular verbs. Regular verbs form the past tense by adding ed to the base form of the verb. For example, work, worked, talk, talked, play, played. Example sentences. I worked yesterday. They talked for hours last night. She played soccer last weekend. Note: if the verb ends in e, just add d.
Dance, danced.
Love, loved. Note 2. For verbs ending in a consonant plus y, change the y to I and add ed. Carried, carried. Study, studied. 2. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow the regular rule of adding ed. Instead, they have their own unique past tense forms that need to be memorized. Here are some examples of common irregular verbs in the past tense. Base form, past tense, example sentence. Go, went, I went to the store yesterday. Eat, ate, he ate pizza for dinner last night. Have, had, she had a meeting this morning.
See, saw, we saw a movie last weekend.
Buy, bought, they bought a new car last month. 3. Negative form in the past tense. For regular and irregular verbs, we use did not, didn't, plus the base verb to make the negative form. I didn't work yesterday. Regular verb.
He didn't go to the party.
Irregular verb. 4. Questions in the past tense. To form questions in the past tense, use did plus the base verb. Did you work yesterday? Regular verb. Did she eat lunch? Irregular verb. 5. Time expressions with the past tense. To indicate when something happened in the past, you can use time expressions like yesterday, last week,
Month,
year, 2 days ago, in 2000, a long time ago. Example sentences. I visited Paris last year. She studied for the exam 2 days ago.
practice.
1. Fill in the blanks with the correct past tense form of the verb in parentheses. I play tennis yesterday. She go to the market last week. We have a great time at the party. 2. Make negative sentences. I not eat lunch today. They not see the movie last night. 3. Form questions. You go to the beach last summer? He buy a new phone yesterday? Let me know if you'd like help with any of the exercises.